Hi, I'm Sophie Stanton and I am a master's student studying media practice, communication and PR at Swansea University. Throughout this internship, I have gained many valuable skills and experience. This is through Photoshop, designing creative media content for the enterprise, and videography skills, using Final Cut Pro where I'm able to create videos, promotional content for the social media sites. I've also improved on my interviewing skills, my presenting skills, my writing skills, and many more skills whilst attending this internship. Whilst being at Rise, I helped promote their event called The Big Pitch. This was where people could pitch their ideas, their business skills or themselves, and I helped video and film different aspects of the day and create a 90-second and a 5-minute video incorporating the event. So through my experience here, I was given the opportunity to apply for a PR internship in London with a company called Peretti. They specialise in luxury lifestyle and travel PR. I took an interview with them and I was successful in gaining an internship with them, which starts in September for 6 months. And all of this wouldn't have been possible without the help and support from Rise. I have seen through my internship the different opportunities that they've given to people, not only for me, but for others as well, and seeing the different opportunities and support that they give students and how well they are received and how amazing the outcomes actually are. So I just want to thank everyone here at Rise for all their support and the opportunities they've given me. I wouldn't be where I am today, I wouldn't be having the opportunities I've got in the future if it wasn't for them. I've been overwhelmed by all the support given to me from the Enterprise team. So I just want to say a massive thank you to everyone at Rise that's helped me and supported me to get to where I am today. So thank you.